Okay, friends, Babu, you are a very good football player. Swara, do you know? Acha, let us start our point. Today, nomenclature of alkene compounds. Yes, there are two methods for the nomenclature of alkene, common method and IUPAC method. These are the structural formula of alkene compound. In any method, if you want to give the name of any alkene compound, first of all, you should have to calculate the total number of carbon atom remain in it. Yes, now you see in common method and IUPAC method, in, dine or trine is to be used as a suffix. When one double bond is present at that time, in is to be used as a suffix. When two double bond, di-in and three double bond, tri-in. Okay, sweetie? Achha, now you see two carbon atoms, ethene. Yes, when we remove one hydrogen from ethene, this group is obtained. The name of this group is vinyl. Yeah, if this valence is satisfied by Cl, Na2 and OH and phenyl, then this is vinyl chloride, vinyl amine, vinyl alcohol, vinyl benzene. Otherwise, you can say styrene. Then alkene having three carbon, 1, 2, 3. Now you see, in common method, numbering is to be given as alpha, beta, gamma. In IUPAC method, numbering is to be given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Always numbering is to be start from the carbon atom from which double bond will start. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha propene. When we remove one hydrogen from propene, Ca2, C double bond CH, single bond Ca2 open valency. The name of this group is allyl. When this valence is satisfied by Purana dekho Cl, NH2, OH and phenyl, this is allyl chloride, allyl amine, allyl alcohol and allyl benzene. Name of this compound, you calculate 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atoms are there. Butane, double bond is present, that's why butene, and double bond start from alpha carbon, that's why alpha butene. Next one, CH3 single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH3, total number carbon 4 है, तो butane का जाएगा, double bond is present, that's why butene, and double bond will start from beta carbon, that's why it is known as a beta butene. Sometimes side chain will be present. In this case, 3 carbon की chain है, उसमें methyl group side chain में है. 1, 2, 3 नाम के पीछे propane, double bond present, that's why propene. Methyl group is present on a beta carbon, that's why beta methyl alpha propene. Otherwise you can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 means butane, double bond is present butene and isoposition, that's why it is known as isobutene. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon pentane. Double bond start from alpha carbon, that's why alpha pentene. This is 3 plus 2, 5 carbon and double bond start from beta carbon, that's why it is known as a beta pentene. In this case, longest chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 means butane, double bond present, that's why butene, and methyl group is present on gamma carbon, that's why it is known as a gamma methyl alpha butene. Otherwise you can say total number of carbon atom 5 है, it is also known as isopentene. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon की chain है, तो 5 carbon having pentane, लेकिन यहाँ 2 double bond है, pentadiene and methyl group is present on gamma carbon, that's why gamma methyl pentadiene. This is cyclopropene, cyclobutene, cyclopentene, cyclohexene. Okay. Now we see IUPAC method. Eth 2 carbon means ethane per se, eth 1 in. It is not necessary to write 1 ethene. You can say ethene also. This is in reactivity series Cl and double bond. Double bond is more reactive compared to Cl. That's why, yes, 1 chloro eth 1 in. NH2 is more reactive compared to double bond. So 1 amino eth 1 in this case, yes, this is first and second, 1 in. Less reactive group is to be mentioned first of all. Among the two group, double bond and OH group is present. OH is more reactive compared to double bond. That's why, yes, less reactive double bond है तो उसको पहले mention करो. 1 in, eth 1 all. Then 1 phenyl, eth 1 in. Double bond is more reactive compared to phenyl group. That's why phenyl is to be mentioned first of all. In this case, 1, 2, 3 carbon. 3 carbon means prop 1 in. Propane 1 in, ये भी सही है. Prop क्यों लंबा लिखे? Then यहाँ 1, 2, 3. थर्ड कार्बन पे Cl है, फर्स्ट कार्बन पे डबल बॉन्ड है. Moreover, double bond is more reactive compared to Cl. तो Cl is less reactive. तो Cl को mention पहले करो. But position of Cl on third carbon. That's why 3 chloro prop 1 in. In this case, double bond and NH2, two functional groups are there. Among the two group, yes, amino group is more reactive compared to double bond. That's why amino group is more reactive. The less reactive double bond is to be mentioned first of all. Double bond 2 in prop 1 amine. In this compound, two groups OH and double bond. OH is more reactive compared to double bond. That's why, yes, less reactive group is to be mentioned first of all. 2 in prop 1 all. Then double bond is more reactive compared to phenyl. तो पहले less reactive phenyl को mention करो. 3 phenyl prop 1 in. You see, in this compound 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. That's why butane double bond is present. Butene and double bond start from first carbon. But 1 in. You can say butane 1 in भी चलेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond start from second carbon. That's why but 2 in. This is longest chain comes here. 3 carbons की. In IUPAC method, you should have to select longest chain. Yes, 3 carbon means नाम के पीछे propene लगेगा and methyl group is present on second carbon. So 2 methyl prop 1 in. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, that means pentane. Double bond is present, pentene, and double bond start from first carbon. So pent 1 in कहा जाएगा. इसमें भी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कार्बन, सेकेंड कार्बन से डबल बॉन्ड स्टार्ट होता है तो पेंट 2 इन कहा जाएगा. You see, longest chain having 4 carbon atoms and methyl group is also present. In this compound, methyl and double bond. Methyl is less reactive. That's why methyl is to be mentioned first of all. You see, 3 methyl. Yes, but 1 in. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbons are there. 5 carbon, alkane having 5 carbon is pentane. But you see, 2 double bonds are present. That's why pent die in and methyl group is present on third carbon. Double bond की compare में methyl group less reactive है. So less reactive group is to be mentioned first of all. So 3 methyl pent, yes, द पोजिशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड, एक डबल बॉन्ड की पोजिशन फर्स्ट कार्बन और सेकंड फोर्थ कार्बन, 3 methyl pent 1,4 diene. Yes, in cyclic alkene compound cyclopropene, cyclobutene, cyclopentene and cyclohexene. Okay, तो ये कॉमन है. Suppose from this compound if you want to prepare but 1-ene, तो but per se 4 carbon, you can guess 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atoms. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. डबल बॉन्ड स्टार्ट होता है फर्स्ट कार्बन से, फर्स्ट और सेकंड के भी डबल बॉन्ड. अब यहां लिख लो CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. 2 methyl prop 1-ene. तो prop पर से you can guess 3 carbons are there. Write down the 3 carbon, 1, 2 और 3 carbons. पीछे से ले लो. Prop 1-ene, double bond is present first and second carbon, and second पे मिथाइल है CH3, CH2 सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड C, CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. ये हो गया. Okay friends, reactivity order is most important factor during the nomenclature. I will give some ideas to prepare the reactivity order. लंबा है, उसको कैसे प्रिपेयर करना. आई विल गिव यू सम टेक्निक्स टू यू, इजीली यू कैन प्रिपेयर. ओके बाबू, ओके शर्मिला, स्वीटी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके.